All right, so we're going to talk about the partial product area model. Okay, so using that area model to multiply these types of numbers. So if our number was 3.6 times 5.4, we're going to start by separating these numbers out into our area model. So we're going to split them into 4 sections. We're going to start by writing our 5 and our 0.4 at the top, because if we added these two together, it would be 5.4. And then we have our 3 and our 0.6 down the side. That would be our 3.6. Now, each area represents a different number. So if we were to multiply 5, which is right here, times 3 right here, that represents this rectangle right here, so this area. And so our answer for 5 times 3 would be 15. If we were to multiply the next square, which would be this 0.4, and then this line right here, which would be our 3 again, we would be doing 4/10 times 3. So 4/10 times 3, you would do 3 times 4, which is 12. But then there is one decimal number that we're multiplying by. So that means we need one decimal number here, making our answer 1.2, or 1 2/10. Our next number we're going to multiply is this 6/10 times this area, which would be 5. So 6 times 5, which would be 30. But again, there's a decimal number, one decimal number here. So this actually makes it 3.0, or 3. And then our last area that we're multiplying is this bottom part here. So this is our 6/10, lines up with that, 6/10, and this is our 4/10. So if we did 6 times 4, that would equal 24. But this time there is one decimal number, two decimal numbers. So that means we need two numbers after the decimal point, and this is the part where people kind of put that point in the wrong spot. So it actually makes it 24 hundredths. To finish, we add up all these numbers up, so we have our 15, our 1.2, making sure we keep our decimal places lined up, our 3.0, and our 0.24. We can fill in zeros here to help these stay organized. So 0 plus 4 is 4. 0 plus 2 plus 0 plus 2 is 4. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 0 is still 9. And then our 1. So our final answer here would be 19 44 hundredths, or 19.44. Make sure again that you're keeping track of those decimal points when you're multiplying, to make sure that they end up in the correct place values. Go ahead and work on that homework. If you have any questions, let me know.